Hi, I'm Mr. New Jersey. My goal in this video is to convince you to take a walking tour of downtown Princeton, one of my favorite towns in the state. And keep in mind, I'm talking here about historical tours of the town, which often include walks around the Princeton University campus, rather than the prospective students' tours offered by the university. Princeton is a beautiful place to walk around, from the ivy-covered campus of the university to the cute shops and occasional Tudor Revival buildings on Nassau Street, Princeton's main drag. But beyond the visual beauty, a walking tour of Princeton will give you a look at a long and fascinating history, spanning from the Revolutionary era straight through to the present day. There are several organizations in Princeton that run tours of the town, though I myself have only been on the one offered by the Historical Society of Princeton. I'll tell you a bit about that one so you can get a sense of what a Princeton tour might be like, but keep in mind that the precise content might differ with different organizations. The Historical Society of Princeton runs tours every Sunday at 2 p.m., weather permitting and accepting major holidays. Tours cost $7 per person and can fill up, so you should reserve your tickets in advance online. Tours leave from the Bainbridge House at 158 Nassau Street, where the Society houses several exhibits about Princeton history. The first stop on the tour was outside of Nassau Hall, which is currently Princeton University's main administrative building, but it was also the meeting place of Congress when Princeton was the capital of the United States, and it was involved in the Battle of Princeton during the Revolutionary War. The tour guide discussed both the history of the building and its role in modern university life. As he did, I remember staring at the ivy growing up the walls and thinking, wow, that's beautiful. After that, the tour continued around the Princeton University campus for a bit and talked about student life before exiting into the residential part of town. We saw various sites throughout the town, including the houses of theoretical physicist Albert Einstein and President Woodrow Wilson. They are private residences, but the tour guide filled in my group on the stories of the time each figure spent in Princeton. Finally, we made our way back to Nassau Street, seeing some Revolutionary War monuments on the way. What didn't the tour show us? The things that stand out are the Governor's Mansion and the Princeton Battlefield State Park, since neither of those are located in downtown. However, you'll still hear stories of the battle and of Woodrow Wilson's governorship, since he was the governor prior to becoming president. So your trip won't be lacking in military or gubernatorial history. I hope you found this video useful and informative, but more importantly, I hope you'll plan a trip to Princeton in the near future. If you will, please like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.